Hey guys, welcome back. Just a quick one today. Those of you that don't know me very well, I love to learn new things, and one of the new things I've been learning is how to speak Spanish. I still am pretty terrible at it, but I really enjoy learning it. It's a lot of fun, and I'm also mixing in a little Brazilian Portuguese in there. I would love to do a tour of Central and South America one day, so I'd love to at least speak a little bit of the language to try to meld better with people and the culture. So let me introduce you to this app I've been testing and using, and it's called FluentBurst, and it's at fluentburst.com. It's really just a conversational app to practice speaking your languages. It's really simple to use. I don't know how this is going to work with me demoing this for you, because I'm recording on over here on this microphone, and then this is going to want to take the microphone. Anyway, it may not take all my speaking, but I'm telling you it does work because I use it quite a bit. I use the test site and the actual production site because the developer of this application invited me to participate in testing this. So let's just go to fluentburst.com and I'll show you some of this. And by the way, I'll have a link for you below if you want to check this out yourself. So all this will be in the description. So first I'm going to sign in. I'm going to sign in with Google. I'm going to choose my account. I've already, what do you call it, accepted this as a kind of a trusted site, put in my password and all that before, so I'm just going to continue. And this is what your dashboard looks like when you come up. It's an interesting, fun thing to do. I am studying Spanish, like I said. I am level A1 because I'm not very good at it, but it's a lot of fun. So there's different ways you can practice here, and this is developing more every day, right? Like, so you can do a general conversation, which is what I do mostly because, like I said, I need to practice with generals. You can do role play scenarios. Soon there'll be some games coming you can play, and debates. Now I know there's other language YouTubers, I'll call it, that's their niche, whatever. They are testing this also. So you know, as you search, you'll find some more of these. But like I said, description will have all the details. So let's do a general conversation. And I've already have my tutor selected. You can change the tutor and pick whoever you want that you were pretending to talk to. Mine is A1 beginner. My level is low, so hope to be A2 soon, but still finding time to work on all that. And here's your language options. Over here you can do English, French, Spanish, German, Portuguese, Italian, and Russian. So we could start by allowing our microphone because this is conversational practice. So I'm going to go into allow microphone. Now it doesn't give me a choice. The browser itself isn't going to give me a choice, so it's going to use my active microphone. So you may not be able to see on the screen what I speak. Let's try it out anyway. I'm going to let it go until I close this site. I'm going to allow it, and there you can see our start speaking button turns green. So let's go ahead and start a conversation. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Yeah, see it.
Hola, ¿cómo estás hoy? ¿Estás listo en el español?
It doesn't pick it up. That's because I'm recording, but trust me, this is going to work in your real life. I really should maybe do a different video on the phone and do a screen record and see how that comes out, but that'll be another one. I just wanted to get this out in front of you real quick. But she's not going to hear my replies, so really this will be just demoing what it looks like from the tutor side. Now let's say you didn't understand what she said here. So you can actually do full translations, and you say, hello, how are you today? Are you ready to learn Spanish? And then you can make that go away. You can slow it down.
Hola, ¿cómo estás hoy? ¿Estás listo en el español?
So it basically slows down her part of the conversation so I can practice listening and hear it better. Because one challenge I have with Spanish is, especially when I'm speaking to a native, it sounds like one long word altogether. Like it's hard to find the breaks in the words, and the same goes like as we speak to each other in English. Like we speak so fast, we don't realize, you know, that challenge. But anyway, So I'm going to try and speak back, but it's not going to quite work right because my mic is taken by my recording over here. So let's go. Sí, listo para aprender español.
¿Tienes alguna pregunta sobre el español o quieres hablar de algo específico?
Okay, now here I'm going to try to decode what she's saying. Tienes, do you have, or is that, do you have some questions about Spanish and want to speak about something specific, I believe is what that is. Let's do the full translation. Do you have a question about Spanish or want to talk about something specific? Yeah, so that's the thing. Like, I've been studying it long enough. I can read it pretty well. Speaking and listening are still a challenge. I gotta build my Spanish brain a little better that way. But anyway, guys, just a quick one today. I wanted to show you this, show you what it looks inside of it. Links to all this in the description. I really want to support this app. It's really, really good. And really challenging for me. I enjoy it. Like I said, I love learning new things, and Spanish is it. And when I'm done, building enough Spanish up, I'll probably move down to Portuguese and do that so I can hit all of South America one day. But anyway, guys, that's all we got for today. Links to everything in the description. You got questions about that, leave it alone, start a conversation. And if there's any special invites or anything, I'm going to add those as they come in. But thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.